Good morning, little Miss Homemaker.
Good morning.
Hey, what you doing? Finishing up your
Coffee.
camp coffee? All right. I thought it would be great if you could give us a tip for our camper today.
Okay. Well, here's what I came up with. We've got some spices here that we use on our foods, and they're in boxes because we're taking them on our camper and we keep them inside. And then they're in little baby bottle jars because there's from when my brother was young. But this one's turmeric and turmeric helps with cancer and stuff
Oh, good job.
like that. And I'm not really sure what a lot of these things do, but
Show us that one.
here's a seed.
Look, turn it around.
Upset tummy.
Yeah, that's actually an old Amish remedy. Several different types of seeds. You can chew on those if you have an upset stomach. So good. What else you have?
Let's see.
Show us
I
some
have
in
bay
there. Keep it
leaves.
still.
Because bay leaves you do not swallow, it'll cut your throat. But you can also put them in soups and stuff just for flavor.
Good.
Here we've got some country pounder or curry or what.
Curry powder.
And I'm not sure what you use for that, but
Okay,
it's for
well,
food too.
Yeah, so show us a few more of the labels.
Onions.